So, good morning everyone. So, I came in here for the next class. So, today our class is human resource. So, today I discuss without any words. So, listen me carefully, you can understand every topic. Okay, so before I discuss the human resource, I want to say you that resource. So, what is resource actually? The resource means like Jivan on economics, he gave that definition in 1909. He said that resources are anything available in our environment that can be used to fulfill our demands. So this is called the resource. Okay. So resources have that three types. Number one, natural resource. Number two, human resource, and number three, human made resource. So first I'll discuss about the natural resource. Okay, so natural resource means what? Natural resource means which resource we get from directly from nature. Means which type of the resource we get, we collect from the natures without any human help. That is called natural resource. Natural resource have the two types, renewable resource and non-renewable resource. Renewable resource means what? Renewable resource means like which resource are present in unlimited store. So this is called renewable resource. Like water, sunlight, wind. This is unlimited. This cannot be existed. Now the next is non-renewable resource. Non-renewable resource means which resource doesn't have their enough. It is present in the earth. It's limited way, like petroleum, coal, and iron ore, etc. Now come to the next number, human made resource. Human made resource means actually which resource? Human made means which resource made by the human. This is known as human resource. Human made resource. Which resource made by the human? This are known as human made resource. Like human collect the natural object from the nature, and people actually use the natural material to make a substance. Like see, human take the iron ore and it's converted to iron to mix in the steel, and using the iron they made the fan, a refrigerator, etc. So this is known as human made resource. So human made resource like this building, this houses also human made resource. Human collect the soil from anywhere, soil from the nature, and it converts to into brick and it's made a house. So this is known as also human made resource. But our topic is human resource. Actually, what is human resource? So I tell you that the people with their demands and abilities that turn them into the resource. So this is known as human resource. Means, like see, the human resource always with the human, like knowledge, skill and technology. So which country have that maximum type of the human resource? Which countries people develop their skill, develop their knowledge, develop their brain? So this country are known as developed country. But now our India is known as developing country. But in the America, Britain, this is a developed country. Developed means why? This developed and developing country make the difference between two for their skill and knowledge, because they are already cross 100% education. In the education field they cross 100 out of 100. But our India now 2024, India's literacy rate 78 point something percentage. Means we are developing, we are not developed. So means we are trying to develop ourselves. day by day. So this is actually the basic part of the human resource. Means like, see, the human resource means you have that good human resource. You have that good value, good utility. Then you can turn the natural object into the resource easily. But see, one person without any education, they cannot. Like I'm not insulting, but it is exactly true. Like our farmer have that many knowledge, many basic knowledge, but according to the literacy, they are below. So below knowledge, they cannot make proper way, make their field in the proper way to grow maximum type of the what resource or grain from on land. Like America, one field they use, one field they make different type of the things. But our India, in a year only 2 and 3 grain. So that is the difference between America and we. But I will say that, but India now in present day, India developed the human resource because we understand without any human quality, without any human values, we cannot develop ourselves. So now today's for this next day we will discuss briefly about the human resource.